But I do mean it when I say that you right now are in a massive, massive opportunity here in Germany because you saw yourself, not everyone is using YouTube ads yet. You will have a massive, massive advantage over the other people that aren't in this room today to pinpoint exactly who you're looking to reach with your YouTube ads. Now, of course, there's the ability to have warm and hot retargeting. You can upload your own customer lists. You can add in all of your converters, all the people that are taking action from your ads, even people that have landed on your website. Now, that's probably not news to you, so I want to talk a little bit more about some of the other targeting options which are very powerful inside of Google. So you can see here, you can target people who have been on your YouTube channel, people who have subscribed to your YouTube channel. You can build audience segments. If you have a YouTube channel and you are sitting on a massive gold mine, the reason for that is you can go in and specifically target people that are watching your channel, people that are viewing your videos with your ads, and that allows you to reach them and take them deeper down the rabbit hole and engaging with your company and your brand. So I highly encourage you, especially if you already have a YouTube channel, to really leverage this power of YouTube ads because they're collecting all of this data that you can use to your advantage. Now, one of our favorite types of targeting and where we get some of the best results is what's called custom segments. This is where we can actually build our own audience segments using Google's artificial intelligence and what they know and all the data that they've collected on everyone who's going onto Google and YouTube and all of their platforms. So you can see here, this is the audience segment builder. What we can do is we can create custom segments built on the data that we're collecting about each person. So there's two different types. If you notice up here, there's people that have an in-market or purchase intent. So these are people that are in the market for something. This is built around the data Google knows about that person. But there's also another type of targeting as well, where there are people that have searched specific terms on Google or YouTube. So you can actually target people who have made a recent search on either Google or YouTube with your ads. And so what I want to do is show you how you can really tap into this, because this is the combination of YouTube and artificial intelligence, and it's very powerful. So the first one here is interest and purchase intentions. You can see here that what you can do is put in specific data around who is interacting or who you're looking to interact with your ads. So let's say I was targeting people who are interested in YouTube ads, or let's say Facebook ads or digital marketing. What I can do is actually put that inside of my campaign and inside of my segment to reach all the people that Google knows have these interests. But we can go a layer deeper. Imagine being able to target people based on the Google searches and YouTube searches they've done in the past. Now, you might notice it says people who have searched on Google, Google, of course, being the largest search engine, but you're also able to target based on YouTube. You can see here, it's Google and YouTube. So anyone who has searched on Google or on YouTube, the second largest search engine, you can target people that have gone on there with their exact searches. So imagine targeting people who are looking up how to do YouTube ads, how do YouTube ads work, YouTube ads tutorial. When they're looking that up on YouTube, I can get in front of them with my ad. And you could do the exact same thing for your own market, your own industry. It's incredibly powerful. Now, I actually put together a keyword search tool to find some of these terms and some of these different types of keywords that people are using at keywordsearch.com, where our clients and I actually go in to find, here's what people are searching on YouTube, and here is how you can actually put that directly inside of that audience segment. There's a trial on here as well. And there's even ways to spy on YouTube ads too. In the past, it was very hard to be able to see, what are all the different competitor YouTube ads. We threw that into the keywordsearch.com tool as well, which is pretty incredible. My CTO, Greg, and I put that together to support our clients. And you can even see some of the different types of keywords that your competitors are targeting on YouTube. So pretty powerful there as well. And so what you can do is you can take those keywords, you can take them and put them directly inside of your audience segments. And what you want to do is make sure that you're finding those great keywords that people are looking up, and then you're able to target those with your audience segments on YouTube just by putting them right here in this section. That's how you can leverage the power of YouTube's artificial intelligence to reach the right people at the right time and at the right moment. Now, you can also add in apps. So people who have different apps installed on their phone, you can go ahead and put that into your targeting as well. So obviously, Google and YouTube has such a wide reach. You can go in and target people. Let's say you have a weight loss offer. You can target people that have weight loss apps on their phone and are installed on their phone, and then reach them because you know they're interested in what you have to offer. Now, I am so excited to show you this next type of targeting, because what you can also do on YouTube is target people that have been on your competitors' websites or other complementary websites that are similar to what you do. Who here wants to know how to target people who have been on your competitors' websites? Yeah, a lot of people. It's so powerful, it almost seems like it shouldn't be possible, but it is possible with YouTube ads and with this strategy. So you can build URL audiences to actually target people who have been on your competitors' sites. Now, the way to do this is to set up one of these URL audience segments, and then you go to the section where you can target people who are on sites and similar sites to those websites. And what you can do is put in the URLs of your competitors or put in the URLs of complementary sites and actually target people that Google has seen going onto those sites or going onto similar sites online. So you can see here, we can also target, let's say you have that weight loss offer, anybody who's gone on WeightWatchers.com, on Noom, on Jenny Craig, these are some popular American weight loss companies. You can go ahead and target all of those people and then get that traffic for yourself. It's kind of like hijacking your competitors' traffic. Now, you could take this another step further and imagine targeting people that have been on complementary sites. So we work with a lot of people that use ClickFunnels and some of these different platforms. What we can do is target anybody who is going on to ClickFunnels or going on to Kajabi or Webinar Jam, some of these different software tools. And we can go ahead and target them because we know they may be interested in YouTube ads. And you could do the exact same thing. Start thinking about what websites are your ideal clients going on, and what would be something that's complementary to what you have to offer, which is really powerful. And so as you can see, you can go and target using the power of Google, using the power of YouTube, based on the websites people are going on. Now, you might be asking yourself, how is this even possible? Well, it's possible because Google has the largest search engine in the world. And most people, they don't just go directly to the URL. They'll go on Google search and then go to the website they wanted to go to. So Google is capturing that data. They know the websites you're going to. They also know all of your YouTube searches. They know your YouTube watch history. They're reading your emails. They have Gmail, one of the most popular email services. There's a reason it's free. They're getting all the receipts sent back to them. Now, the other thing that they have as well is Google Analytics. Now, of course, we do know that there's GDPR and there's different restrictions here in the EU, but a lot of people are accepting those pop-ups to allow Google to track and collect all of that information. And Google Analytics is installed on 55.49% of all websites worldwide, which is pretty astounding. It's half of every single website. You can see Google Analytics is right up here at the top. Now, I bet you could expect a little bit of what's down here as well. If you've seen some of my ads where I talk about how YouTube ads outperform Facebook ads every time, that's my big hook. You can see down here, Facebook is only 11.1% of all websites worldwide. So there's a little bit of funny tongue-in-cheek here with Zuckerberg and Facebook. Is this proof that YouTube is 5 times more powerful than Facebook. I'll let you be the judge of that. But what I will say is Google has an immense power. There's a massive opportunity to tap into Google. And what I can say is that here in Germany, all of you have an opportunity to tap into YouTube now. Because I've seen firsthand how everyone in America is now starting to shift over. A lot of that, coming from some of the trainings that we have done, people shifting over from Facebook to YouTube. And so you have an opportunity to be an early adopter and a first mover into Google and YouTube before everyone else. You saw in here how there wasn't as many people who raised their hands who are already doing YouTube. And that's a massive opportunity for you, because if I asked that same question 3-4 years ago, in America, it would be the same response. But now, today, it's the vast majority of the room. I was just speaking at another event just last week, and it was about 70% of the room who raised their hand that they were already running YouTube ads. So you are at a massive opportunity right now to tap into Google's AI and use the power of YouTube and our alpha AI targeting strategy. But what I want to do before I leave here is I want to give you a golden nugget, something that's working incredibly well for us right now. And especially for those of you that are already running YouTube ads, you might want something a little more advanced. And I wanted to give you something even more exciting, even more advanced, and that is single keyword segments. So we talked about URL segments, how you could target people based on Google searches, YouTube searches, how to target people based on in-markets and affinities. But what you can also do is you could take this one layer deeper, and you can actually start to create individual segments with just one keyword or just one URL. And what we found is you could take these individual keywords, these individual URL segments, and then stack them all back to back in one campaign and manually optimize based on which works and which doesn't work. Now, this is an advanced training, and by the way, if this doesn't make sense, then everything else I talked about before, all of that, those are your first steps. But once you get more advanced, you'll see what I mean here when you can start targeting based on individual keywords in each of your audience segments, and then going in and choosing which ones work, cutting the ones that don't work to really optimize your ads manually, even with your audience segments. That allows you to get even more alpha results with your campaigns. And that's the goal, how to achieve those alpha results by training the AI, training Google's algorithm to get you the absolute best results on YouTube and make your YouTube ads stand out. Remember, it's the hook, educate, call to action. You're drawing people in, providing value, getting them to take action, and then you're targeting people based on these audience segments using that alpha AI targeting strategy. Now, I also have a PDF that walks you through step by step how all of this works. I know I only had half an hour today to provide this value and show you this entire strategy. So if you want to download my 19-page PDF, you can go to adoutreach.com/PDF. And it's also right up here on the QR code. So that's adoutreach.com/PDF. And you can check out that 19-page PDF completely for free. But I do mean it when I say that you right now are in a massive, massive opportunity here in Germany, because you saw yourself, not everyone is using YouTube ads yet. And I can tell you that if I had a crystal ball, which I do, because I've seen YouTube, then I can tell you exactly what you should do. You should go into YouTube now using the strategies that I'm showing you today. Feel free to use the strategies inside the PDF, because you will have a massive, massive advantage over the other people that aren't in this room today. Because I can tell you that Facebook ad costs, you're probably noticing this, are getting more and more expensive because it's very competitive. It's a red ocean. You have an opportunity to tap into the power of YouTube and skyrocket your ads to success. So thank you so much for listening. Really, thank you for the This Is Marketing crew and everybody else here. I'm Aleric Heck. Thank you so much.